Welcome to the Car Compass. My name is Sando. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil light or how to schedule maintenance in a Toyota Tacoma that's going to work for 2023 to 2026 and newer. And you're going to turn on the car or the truck, and don't mind this 14-inch screen. That's an upgrade. We're seeing in the TRD off-road. You go to your cluster. This is going to be your steering wheel. On the left side, you have the arrows and the OK button. You're going to control with this control selector right here, and you're going to find your settings. So where you go through your cards, and then settings is right there. You press OK, and then once you press OK, you go all the way down to your vehicle settings, and then you press OK to change settings. That's going to get you to another card of settings, and you go all the way down. You're going to find scheduled maintenance. If you press OK, it's going to reset the data. I'm going to click no. And then for your oil maintenance, you do the same exact thing. And I'm still going to press no because we didn't change the oil. And this is how you reset in a Toyota Tacoma. Thank you.